You look that white man in the eye and you tell him the truth. Don't you lie to that white man. Look at your pussy ass. I'll be damned. Nigga asked me about the water. Beat the shit out that nigga in the second fight, nigga. He crushed the nigga. Alright, if his pussy ass, the corner man ain't stopped the fight, he would've murdered that bitch in there. That's how I feel. Fuck you. So that's my reality. Fuck yours. You watch these pieces of shit breathe air and sit here on this planet and fuck us over on a regular basis. There ain't no laws when it comes to them, but there's plenty when it comes to your black ass. Is that ironic or is that ironic, motherfucker? Niggas ain't had no nuts their whole entire fucking life. Ever. You wouldn't stand up if a nigga bitch slapped your mama in front of the grocery store. So don't come here online and try to grow a pair, bitch nigga. Don't do it. The difference is, you see some of these motherfuckers here in the chat, these people know me in real life. Now I'ma talk my motherfucking shit. Cause that's how I'm moving. You don't. That's the difference. Shut the fuck up. No heart. None. Scumbags. Pussy niggas. Get in the bushes. Now, nigga.
Squad! Fury. We still have not got that drug test back. So I don't know whether he passed it or whether he failed it. But we still have not got those drug results back. Okay? I mean, those results of that drug test back before the one he took before the fight and the one he should have took after the fight. You can't fuck with Red Glove on his worst day. How about that?
I ain't really changed, it's the same old rebel, still a radical. I'm passionate, it's just another level. AT told me I should fight back, they don't like that. Just know if you rock the boat, you better have a life rap. BJ told me I should fight back, they don't like that. Just know if you rock the boat, you better have a life rap.
Baby.
I'm convinced that there's a lot of y'all out there who like taking L's. First off, a lot of y'all took this loss just as hard, if not harder, than Deontay Wilder. Why the fuck y'all feel the need to take the burden of his loss is beyond me. But that's not good enough. You don't stop there. You know, you take the L that Deontay Wilder had, and then you compile L on top of L on top of L with these excuses. You got young Pharaoh over here talking about, why haven't we got the blood test back yet? Why are we waiting so long? Motherfucker, you just started watching boxing. You don't know shit about the sport. You over here talking about, why are we still waiting for the drug test? Bitch, this is the first time you watched the boxing match to wait for a fucking drug test. And let me tell y'all something about young Pharaoh. I did a little bit of research because he said he's an amateur. First off, he's not an amateur boxer. He's an amateur Muay Thai or something like that. Not boxing. But I believe it's Muay Thai is what he's an amateur of. And in Muay Thai, his record is 1-4. And he has fought a total of 6.5 rounds. So what that tells me is this. He's only been doing it for 9 months. I forgot to bring that up. So he's only been doing it for 9 months. He's only won 1 of his matches and he's lost 4. And being that he's only fought a total of 6.5 rounds, that tells me that he's getting stopped a hell of a lot. He was able to get a win, and if that went the distance, he's getting stopped very early in his other fights. If he stopped, that opponent, well, congratulations to him on that one fucking win. This is another guy who's used to taking L's, and guess what? A bunch of y'all are gonna take L's with him. If y'all think that y'all are gonna get that belt back by going to the Nevada State Athletic Commission, you got another thing coming. He's not the first one to try to do shit like this, and every time it happens, it gets fucking denied. The only time I've seen any state athletic commission be willing to reverse anything is when there is an adverse drug finding. And ding, 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 this morning, it was either early this morning or late last night, Mauricio Suleiman reported that both Tyson Fury and Deontay Wilder both passed their VADA tests. So that ain't happening. It's fucking ridiculous. You got Blue Blood over here reporting that there's something funky going on with the A sample. And then you go into his description, his motherfucking source is himself. He is his own motherfucking source. Basically, he can't accept the L. He came up with this and cited himself as a source. And then you got motherfuckers in his comment section talking about shaking my head. Doesn't surprise me. I knew he was a cheater. No, y'all don't know shit. The man is telling you himself that he came up with this own concocted cockamamie excuse. But now we've heard it from the horse's mouth that they both passed their VADA tests. So the PED accusations, that goes out the window. They passed their VADA tests. Now you can go ahead and say, well, that doesn't mean anything. Guys get around the testing all the time, blah, blah. The fact is, you still don't have evidence. Because I could just as easily say that Deontay Wilder has cheated in every fight because there's a way to get around testing. He's taking the same test that Tyson Fury took. It's a two-way street. But that's how dumb some of y'all motherfuckers are. You say this shit acting like it can only be one person who could be guilty. Nah, they both use the same fucking testing. So if Tyson Fury can get around it, guess what? So can Deontay Wilder. Y'all just like taking L's. I don't understand what is up with y'all. It's very simple. Be a fan of the sport. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with rooting for a particular fighter. There's nothing wrong with liking a particular fighter. And I may not agree with it, but if you are a fan of a fighter based off of their skin color, then so be it. But you have to be more of a fan of the sport, because if not, you're going to look like fucking idiots. Because I'm telling you right now, Young Farrell and Fred, they're going to go down to the Nevada State Athletic Commission on the 25th, and the shit is going to get denied. You want to know why it's going to get denied? Because all this shit that y'all complain about, they already take precautions to make sure that shit doesn't happen. So they're going to go, they're going to review all their documentation of everything that they signed. They're going to go and review the video of them wrapping the tape. They're going to speak with the people who were actually present. One of them being somebody from Deontay Wilder's own camp. And after all the evidence that they review checks out, they're going to be like, well, one, we had people present to witness the hand wrapping. Two, we inspected the gloves ourselves. Three, we had somebody in both corners monitoring everything that was going on. And four, they both passed their VADA tests. So given these facts, not your fucking emotions, we're gonna deny this notion. And whatever time and money that y'all motherfuckers spent to try to get this accomplished will be nothing but a waste. To all my subscribers, anybody watching my videos, or if you just so happen to stumble on this video, I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.
That's why I'm undefeated.